Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at TTMI. This is TTM Technologies. Now, if you've watched some of my chart of the day videos before, you know that I love scoping out good relative strength. And good relative strength means that we look for stocks that are up when the general market pulls back. We had a pullback today on SPY down to the 8-day exponential period moving average. We had a pullback on the Qs. We had a pullback on IWM. And so the general market indexes are weak, but TTMI is showing strength. Now, it did pull back to the 21-day exponential period moving average, but it closed near the highs. And the close, my friend, is the most important. That's where everyone shows their hand. And so I definitely like the setup here on TTMI. We have clear support in and around the 21-day exponential period moving average. That's the blue line. That's where the buyers have shown up ever since the stock broke above the 50-day moving average in August. Now we have a candle where it went up on earnings, good volume, and then today, of course, reversed down but closed strong. So I want to see some upside follow through on TTMI right above yesterday's high at 63.76. So I would have an alert here on TTMI at around 63.76, 63.78, something like that, and look for a strong move through that level coming on volume. Now, because the market pulled back today and we have a clear test of the 21-day, you can easily put a stop rate under today's intraday low at around 56.80. And so you're taking a trade above 63.78, stop down near 56.80, and then if the trade works, you want to move that stop up to break even as soon as possible. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full focus list, click that link, StockMarketMentor.com, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.